we got day 5. Definitely gonna smash through these and see what we got. All right, that's a hit and 2 flop. Naturalization zone, cool, that's a hit. Will we be able to repeat that? I hope so. Let's see what we got. We got a Dust Skull. Illustration Ore would be an awesome card to pull. Ooh. Never even seen this card. Munkidori EX. Special illustration. This thing is a hit. Let's go right now. Hell yeah. That is totally going in the folder. Amazing card. It doesn't look like it, but up and close in person, this thing is a sweet card to have. See if we can replicate this tomorrow.